Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you're back here seeing another tutorial. If you're new to the channel, in this channel we talk about AI powered tools. In this series of videos we're talking about a software called Higgsfield. If you haven't checked out the previous videos that we have created on this software, I really invite you to go to the channel, subscribe and check them out so you can get up to speed on how this software works and what it is. Just as a quick reminder, Higgsfield is an AI powered video and image generation platform. It is designed for creators, marketers and businesses. It specializes in creating cinematic quality content with visual effects and ready to use assets. You can create videos using images, you can create videos using text, using prompts, you can create characters and then have the creation of those characters be consistent throughout all of their videos. There are some free tools such as the popcorn tool that we checked out in the previous video and that we're going to be using on this video as well. And there are some other pricing plans for you to use as well. For example, there is the basic plan that is $9 a month where you can use up to 150 credits. There is a pro plan, there is the ultimate plan. So there are a bunch of different plans that match what you're trying to create with the software. And all in all, the software is tailored for all of the different needs of different creators. On this video, we're going to be animating one single image into full story scenes. We're going to be using Popcorn once again. So without further ado, I'm going to turn my camera off so you can see my screen a bit better, and I'll see you guys in the end. So right here, we're on the Popcorn tool. On the previous video, we used the auto tool. Right now, we're going to be using the manual tool. On the top right here, the software asks us to upload reference images. I'm just going to upload one image of Bob Belcher. He's the character of one of my favorite TV shows called Bob Burgers. And right here on the bottom, we can describe what happens in each of the scenes. For example, let's say that the first scene is that the character enters the room. You can add more scenes if you want using this plus sign right here. And once you have all the different scenes, you can click on generate for free. The software is then going to take a couple of seconds to create the images. After a couple of seconds, the software has already created our images. We have these 4 images that are in line with what we wrote in the manual description. There is something that we can do in the software, and that is animate some of the scenes. If we go to the first scene right here and click on these 3 dots and click on animate, we have right now the general model picked, but we could change it to be any of these other different animation styles. We can write a prompt if we want to describe what our scene is going to be. We can change the model from all of these different ones. Right now it's in the Minimax Halo 2. All of them have a different description. For example, this one, the Higgsfield one, is advanced camera controls and effect presets. The Google Bio, for example, is precision video with sound controls. Or you could use, for example, the Sora 1. I'm going to pick Sora 2 as of now. You can select the duration of the scene from 4 seconds, 8 seconds, or 12 seconds. You can select the aspect ratio as well. For example, 16:9 if it's going to be for a long format video, such as YouTube or Vimeo, or 9:16 if it's going to be for short format videos, such as Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. We need to write a prompt of what is going to happen in the scene. Let's say that the character is having a nightmare. Then we click on generate, and the software is going to take once again a couple of seconds to create our animated scene. And after a couple of seconds, the software has already rendered the animation. Let's check it out.
No. Get away! Ah! Just a dream. Just a dream.
As you see, it even adds voiceover. It adds all the movement, all the sound effects of the bed, of him groaning. It even added music for the animation to be much more usable in different scenarios. And all in all, the process is really fast and really amazing on how well it does it. So I want to show you just how you can create a video using the original image and then use an end frame. For example, we were using this image and this other one as an end frame, the one that we used to create the character. If we click on it, you can see the preview of the character standing up, moving around, and then having the original image be the end frame. So I've just animated the 4 different scenes that we created using the software. I have them right here on the desktop. This is the first one.
No. Get away! Ah! Just a dream. Just a dream.
This is the second one. This is the third one. And this is the fourth one. We could stitch the different scenes into a cohesive story such as this one. I just placed one video after the other. The first scene is when Bob is falling asleep and having a nightmare. Then he's calming down and just chilling out in his bed. Then after he's just asleep as well, he's dreaming of food. And on the final scene, he just stands up and leaves the room. I'm gonna export this video and show it to you so you can see what we can do with the different scenes. And this would be the final video that we created just using Higgsfield.
No. Get away! Ah! Just a dream. Just a dream.
So the final video is close to 30 seconds long. And as you saw, we did everything inside of the software. We can go back to the assets tool. These are the images that we created using the software. Then we animated each of these specific scenes and you can stitch them together using the software of your preference. I use Final Cut, but you can do it in your cell phone using CapCut or the desktop version of CapCut as well. Creating these scenes and these characters is really easy using Higgsfield. You just need an image of a character. It can be even yourself. You can have the software animated and then you can stitch them for you to get a very usable video. And just as easy as that, you can create story videos. I really invite you to check out the software. Once again, I'm using one of the paid plans. If you want to use one of these as well, there are some affiliate links in the description box down below for you guys to use. As always, my name is Santiago. I'm really glad that you saw this tutorial and I hope it was helpful for your purposes. I really invite you to go to the channel and subscribe. Leave your comment down below. I want to read all of your comments regarding this software. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.